Welcome to Oghenerukevwe YouTube channel. On today's channel, we are going to be drafting our basic bodies block or basic body pattern. Easy way to draft your basic body pattern. Even with you need your bust measurement, you need your shoulder measurement, you need your shoulder to under bust measurement, you need your half length, your front and back half length. Then you need, if it's the one that is going to be long, you need the blouse, the full blouse measurement. So let's get started. So don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. You can also comment what you want me to draft for you people, and I will be on the comment section to see your comments. So let's get started to the tutorial. So first of all, we mark our 1 inch away from our pattern paper. So we'll be needing our measurements now. So what we'll be needing, we need our chest line. Chest line is also like your armhole line. So before that, we are going, because the basic body pattern, we need your front and your back. So it's both your front and your back. So how do you get it from your paper? So what you do is, the bust we are working with bust 35. So the bust 35 now, we are going to add 1 inch to bust 35. So if you add 1 inch to bust 35 to give you 36. So 36, so that means we are going to have, if you divide 36 by 2 to give you 18. So that means
9, while the back is going to be 9 as well.
So 18, that's the if you divide the 18 to give you 9, so the front is going to carry 9. So this is 9. This is 9. You just take it all the way down. So you just connect. You connect. So this one we are doing is for the front. This one will be for the front. So now we've gotten our front. So for our back now, you take also the same thing, 9. You take 9. So you take 9. So you connect the lines together like this. Our front half length. So the front half length we are working with is 16. We'll mark it. This is 16. This is 16. We'll mark it like this. The back we are working with is 15. So we'll mark 15. This is 15. We'll mark it like this. This is 15. Like this. Like this now. So now let's finish with the front, then we'll go to the back. So for the front now, you need your shoulder measurement. So the shoulder we are working with is 7. This is our shoulder measurement, 7. So for you to get your chest line, 6 plus 1.5, it gave us 7. So this is 7. So this will stand as our chest line. Chest line. So this is our chest line. So now we've taken our 7. So we'll take, this is our waistline. So we'll take our shoulder to our nipple point is 10. You mark it. The under bust we are working with is 13. You mark it. Then from this your half length that you have, you just take 7 from your half length. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Just take 7. Or you can just, from here, you take your 7 like this. Take 7. You just connect like this. You connect it like this. You see? So now let's connect those lines that we've taken. Our nipple points, our under bust like this. So here stands as our chest line or armhole line. Then here is our NP, our nipple point line. Here is our under bust. Here is our waist line. Here is our blouse length. Okay, so now we need our shoulder measurement. So as I've said before, our shoulder is 7. You just take it to your chest line, then you just connect. You connect like this. Very easy. You connect like this. So after connecting, your neckline, now to get your neckline, your bust divide by 12. Whatever is your bust, just divide it by 12. Whatever you have, just place it on it. So I've divided my bust is 35, divide by 4, divide by 12 to give me 3. That's 2.9. You approximate to give you 3. So this is it. So I'll use my curve ruler to get my curve shape very well. Okay, so like this. So you need your shoulder slope, because the shoulder is not straight. You need your shoulder slope. You connect to your neck line like this. So you need your shoulder slope. So we are using 1 inch for your shoulder slope. This can be used for any size of person. So what you do, just connect it to your neckline like this. Then from there, you put your tape there. Then you take it to your chest line, or you divide it by 2. Divide by 2 is 3. This is the 3, like this. Then from the front, you come out by 0.75. How do you get your 0.75? 1.5 divided by 2 to give your 0.75. Then you connect like this, like this. So after connecting, you put your bust measurement. You put your bust. Our bust is 35 divided by 4. That's 8.5, like this. 8.5. 8.5 like this. Then you go to your waistline. So you need your nipple to nipple point. Nipple to nipple point, we are using the 7. Just mark the 7 to your nipple points like this. You mark like this. Mark it all the way down. Yeah, 3.5 like this. Like this. So after marking it like this, just take half an inch here, half an inch here. So for your nipple point, you come down by 1 inch from your nipple point like this. You connect like this, like this. So from here, you just connect like this, like this. So you put your waist measurement. The waist we are working with is 26. 26 divided by 4, it will give you 6.5. 6.5, you put your 6.5. So use this dark leg that you're having here, 1 inch, you place it back. This is my 1 inch. You connect like this. You connect like this. So you put your hip measurement. So the hip we are working with, 6. You just connect like this, like this. So the difference from your front and your back is 1 inch. You can see it here, 1 inch. So 16 minus 15 to give you 1. Place it like this. You take it to your nipple point like this. Like this. Then from here, you can use 1 inch for your curve. You can use 1 inch, you can use 1.5, you can use 2 inches. On this tutorial, I'm using 2 inches. You just connect like this, like this, like this. So that is it for your basic body for the front. Then for the back, so for the back, we are still going to take the same thing. Our shoulder, we take our shoulder measurement. You just rule your lines. Let's rule our lines. Our chest line, this is our chest line. Then we have taken you take your chest line. So we have taken our chest line 7, our waistline 15. Then from 15, you just take 7 like this. So you take your shoulder measurement now. So let's place our shoulder measurement. Our shoulder is 14 divided by 2. That's 7. You take it like this. Like this. So our neck that we've got is 3. You mark 3 like this. you come down by 1 inch like this, so you get your curve like this. So the shoulder slope, use 1 inch as well, 1 inch like this, like this. So from here you divide whatever you're having. We're having 6 from your shoulder slope to your chest line. We're having 6, so 6 divided by 2 to give you 3. You can just use your tape to divide it to give you 3 as well. So you come in by half an inch like this. Then you put your bust measurement. The bust is 8.75 like this. Then you connect like this. You connect like this. Then you put your nipple to nipple point. So our nipple to nipple point that you're working with on this drafting is 7. 7 divided by 2, that's 3.5. So you just connect the lines together. You connect the lines together like this. Connect the lines together like this. So we use half an inch here. Just use half an inch here like this. So you connect to your chest line. You connect to your chest line like this. You take it down to your blouse length like this. Take the other one like this. Oh, sorry, so sorry. Like this. So now, to remove the bulgeness of your zip not to have bulges, you can use half an inch. You can use 0.75. So I'm using 0.75 here. I told you how to get your 0.75. Divide your 1.5 divide by 2 to give you your 0.75. So from here, I'm going to take it like this. So this has laminate any bulges on my zip. It will definitely remove it. So this is how you get it. So I'm going to place my waist measurement. My waist measurement, the waist we are working with is waist 26 divided by 4 to give you 6.5. This is my 6.5 plus my 1 inch that is here. I'll just connect like this. Then to my hip line, this is my hip, my upper hip like this. So we use 2 inches, so I'm going to do the same thing, 2 inches like this. I'm going to connect like this. So connect like this. So this is our back. This is our front bodice. Bodice and back bodice. Thanks for watching. This is how you cut. First of all, cut the front out. You can see the way I'm doing it. You can see. Okay, I'm going to take it. Oh, I'll just take it like this. This for my front. This. So you know my nipple points, the difference from my front and my back. I'll remove it. Then I'll open. Okay, so you just take a paper, position it like this to your nipple point. That way you need your paper tape. Yes. Then from your waistline now, you just take the measurement again. After taping, you take it like this. Did you see it? So, tape like this. So now I can now cut like this, like this, like this, like this. This is for my front, then for my back. And cutting, position your hand, position it, you are cutting. Like this. So this is my basic bodice like this. See, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments.